Hey guys, today I will show you how to set up the iPhone camera as well as the desk view into OBS. So for this, the requirement is to have macOS Ventura or higher, as well as iOS 16 or higher. So into OBS, here I'm using the FaceTime HD camera from my MacBook Pro. I will add the source that will be the video capture device. So let's call this one iPhone camera. Okay, and in the devices you can select camera from the iPhone. It's wireless, you don't need to actually connect your phone, maybe the first time, but then you don't need to. So here you can see I set up my phone on a stand right below my computer, so it's a bit too high actually. It will be an issue for the desk view, but as you can see it's working. Here let me just reduce this one. And now we will see what we need to do with the desk view. So for this, we go in the control center and then in video effects. And here you have an option for desk view. When you click it, you have a new window in which you can say which size you need to show. Here, as I was saying, my phone is way too high for this, and this will not give the best result for this. But still, let's start it. And as you can see here, I have some paper here on my desk. So now I want to integrate this into OBS. So for this, let's go back to OBS, let's add a source, and you will add a macOS screen capture. Let's create a new one. And the method will be application capture, and the application will be desk view. Okay. And here it is. I can maybe remove this one. And here, as you can see, I have my camera and my desk view on OBS. So thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and see you around.